Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we all have been there, right? We had to stay in a long meeting where we were responsible to raise minute, meaning record all the important conversation that happened during the meeting. And sometimes what happens is that during the heat of conversation, we fail to record some of these conversation, and later on it is very difficult to recall them. Now imagine a scenario where we have such kind of a tool which would record all the conversation that happened during that meeting and generate a meaningful information, right? Like summarize, meaning to say summarize what each participants had said during that meeting. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate such tool, and this tool is developed by using various AI libraries. And to give you an idea how this tool works, let me demonstrate this with an example. So I have found this funny video where Elon Musk is firing different stuff, and obviously this is like this is a AI generated video. So first what I am going to do is I am going to click on start recording. Okay, then I am going to play this video.
So who here likes not coming in the office to do their job, but instead prefers to be a remote worker? Gee, that is a lot of hands. Oh, snap. Anyone want to elaborate why they like working from home? Yeah, go ahead.
Because driving back and forth is expensive. I find that I get all my work done easier here. Plus, I can spend more time with my cats.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Cats?
You like cats?
Nope. But what I would like right now is to fire you. So, yeah, you is fired. Get lost.
Okay. So now we have stop recording. Now let's process that meeting. Okay. So here you can see. So this is a transcript of that recorded meeting. Okay. So what participant discuss and what different participant discuss. Okay. So this is that information. But by looking at this transcript, okay, we cannot make sense like who is speaking and who has answered, like what are the main points that were discussed in that meeting. So we are concerned in raising minute or identifying what were the important point that were discussed in that meeting. So this is given by this part. Okay, this is given in this part. Okay, here you can see AI has summarized what were important points that were discussed during that meeting. So let me read it for better understanding. So here it says that the meeting involved a discussion about employees working from home, with one individual expressing a preference for this due to ability to spend more time with their cats. How the conversation took a negative turn when one person was fired. The key points are: some employees prefer working from home, and one employee was fired during the meeting. So you can see this is a very useful tool when you need to sit in a long meeting and you need to summarize key points uh, that were discussed in that meeting. So by using such kind of tool, you can be assured that you will never miss out useful conversation, and this will help you in making a better decision. Let's say if you have an important meeting with your client and you want to make sure that you understand all the requirements of your client before providing him or her with any kind of solution, And by using such kind of tool, you can obtain or extract all those important information. Okay, you don't have to worry about unnecessary details. And another benefit is also that after completion of the meeting, you can send an email to the client telling him or her about what were the important things that were discussed during that meeting. So, this will put you in a very positive aspect. The client will think that you are paying a very good attention during that meeting because you did not miss out any relevant points. And this will obviously help you to acquire that client and boost your sales. So that's it for this video. I hope you have found this video very useful and educational. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.